So today's the day. After 6 months being in South Florida, we start our journey to Nova Scotia. God, thank you for this day. Thank you for all your many blessings. Thank you for the opportunity to have health, to have a beautiful home, to be able to travel and see all this beauty you provide us for us. Help us, Father. Help us to be the best that we can. Help us to love and serve others as we travel, as we meet people. Help us to be the best that we can for you. Keep us safe and help us to get to our destination and enjoy each other's time. I pray all this in your Son's name. Amen. So we're off. Season 3. We've been parked for the last 6 months, 3 months down in South Florida, 3 months in Lakeland, and this year we're going to Nova Scotia. But today we're going to go to Macon, we're going to stay in Macon, and then we're going to go to Clemson, South Carolina to visit family and go whitewater rafting. Looking forward to that. I don't think Mary's looking forward to that.
Well, we're back on the road again. Feels good to be out and about again. We had a wonderful time in South Florida, just catching up with family and friends. We are excited to be going again and look forward to see what God has planned for this year. See you on the road. Bye.
You excited?
I'm excited, man.
You excited?
Are we going to make it? Let's see how excited we are on the way home. The good news is, Cliff got us here. I was a little worried about that to start.
He was a little different. Cliff, our bus driver, was a little different.
He's colorful.
He's colorful. That's the nice word, Mary. He's colorful. The beginning.
Wow, that job, boys and girls.
Come on now.
Come on, Nathan. Daniel, here we go. Good. Oh. See. You pedal broke?
Yeah, it's a little bit
Put him right here. Come on, woman.
Oh my Lord. That was good, man. That thumb right there?
Yeah.
It's banged up pretty good. It's banged up pretty good.
She's crushing on the rock. Maybe with a paddle. Who knows? You don't know out here.
I think Dinah's going to run this one first, and she's going to set a rope on the right side of the river. And the reason she's going to do that is because on the right side, that's where the rapid that we're going to run next is right there. And that's going to be the last chance rope. So if you come out of the boat and you can't grab that first one, can't grab that second one, can't swim to the side, there'll be a rope coming to you from the right side of the river.
Cool.
And this one's going to be good. I love this one.
And you called that decapitation?
Yeah, the first rock is decapitation rock, and then the next rock that's in the water is hydroelectric, and that one has a hole in the rock.
So you're decapitated and then electrified after that.
But we need-
and go.
Go across, pick up the ladies. Nobody got hurt. Someone counts. Yeah. Yeah, I say that.
All right, tell us a story.
Too late now.
Louder.
So we were going down the rapids and we're up against the rock and I'm pushing off and this is what happens when you are so strong. You are the river queen. Strong like bull. Yay! We made it! Yay!
Get to the chopper! Do it now! Enjoying the summer weather on a Tuesday
My wonderful family.
with family.
Woohoo!